Salvage County Scrapyard Simulator featuring TikTok stars. Choose your character and color vehicle. Single players for missions, multiplayers to play with everyone on the network, or host your own party.
New face! Ha! I've been running these curbs for 20 years. You want real money, you want copper. There's a transformer pole out in the residential blocks packed with it. Climb it, pull the copper tubing, and run it to the yard's copper section. Fair warning, the power company hates that, so don't get pinched. All units and air support in pursuit. So you're the new picker. Let me explain how my scale house works. You drive unloaded, that's your gross. Unload, weigh again, that's your tear. You get paid the difference. And I need ID on every sale, state law. No ID, no ticket, no money. Keeps the copper thieves out. Shred steel pays about a dime a pound. It adds up if you haul enough. Bring me a real I'll tell you what, right, afternoon or whatever it is. 10 to 5 in the evening or whatever, apparently. That's all I know. I'll tell you what, I'm doing alright. Can't complain too much. You hauling today, or just walking? You hit my cruiser back there, watch it. Consider this a warning. Go on, get out of here.